What up, guys? It's Grant's Comics here, and today we got a very big package from one of my subscribers, my Grantaholics. Now, this caught me a surprise. He actually messaged me on Facebook. He said, "Hey, Dylan, I got some comics for you," and he was not lying when he said he had comics. So, look how big that thing is. So, I don't know what's in here, so it's a mystery to me, and it's gonna be a mystery to you. And hopefully this is, holy crap, okay. Yep, that's a big boy. Boom, right there. So let's just see what kind of comics my fan has for me. So first, we are gonna do Amazing Spider-Man 358. There, boom. We got Amazing Spider-Man 357. Trying to see how fast I can do this, because there's a lot of stuff. Spider-Man number 35. I'm probably gonna sell that, so I'll put it like in a pile or sell pile. Maximum Carnage. Not Maximum Carnage. Spider-Man Unlimited number 1. First appearance of Street. Gotta sell that again. Next up is the Spectacular Spider-Man number 195. That's actually pretty cool. Boom. Next one is Spider-Man number 43 with Iron Fist. There. Next is Spider-Man number 17. I think I have this, so I'll put that in the sell pile. I have Spider-Man number 7. I probably gonna keep this because I'm selling it. Next one is Spectacular Spider-Man 198 or 189. So I think it's the key. I have to look it up. Next is Spider-Man number 49. I think it's the key because it says introducing Cold Heart, so that's cool. It's Amazing Spider-Man 353. There, boom. Trying to go as fast as I can, like I said. I'm definitely selling this. Selling that. Spider-Man number 2. Duplicates, Web of Spider-Man number 77. I don't think I have this, so this is my Web of Spider-Man collection. Next is Amazing Spider-Man 354. This might be a key, I think it is, but that's keeping. Next is Amazing Spider-Man 355. Amazing Spider-Man 356. Peter Parker Spectacular Spider-Man number 58. That looks like an 80s cover, or 80s comic. Yeah, 1981, I believe. That's pretty cool. This one has something on it. Ooh, this is a key. This is Amazing Spider-Man 258. I gotta look up on that. I think this is the first appearance of Puma, or the first appearance of Ned Leeds. The Mighty Thor 384. Ignore puppy. Marvel's Secret Wars number 7. That's a key. Definitely gonna sell that. Shazam number 3. We got Masters of Kung Fu 74. Not a key, but it's cool to have it. Or maybe I think it's a key, I don't know. Avengers number 129. This is a key. It's definitely keeping that, or selling that. Iron Man 157. Most of these are in really good condition. Not a key, but I would definitely put it in my shop. Iron Man 147. Iron Man 144. I think that this is a duplicate, so I might keep one of these. Iron Man 103. Right there. If you guys hear my dog barking, just ignore her. Iron Man 119. I gotta check on the condition of that, but really cool. Obviously, I'm gonna read all this and sell them like I always do. Iron Man 140, 145. Boom. Nova number 13. This is a key. This is a minor key. The last one is Masters of Kung Fu 118. There. So a lot of comics going on. Definitely going to have to read and resell. But anyways, that's it for now. If you guys need to subscribe to Grant's Comics and you guys are watching this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video and the Grant's Comics to the comic book community. And if you guys are subscribed to Grant's Comics and you guys are watching this, also give this video a thumbs up, share this video and the Grant's Comics channel to the comic book community. See you guys on the next video. Alright.